بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Chapter 4 Tending Effect of Forces Numerical Questions. Now problem 4.1 Find the resultant of the following forces. One है 10 Newton along x-axis and 6 Newton along y-axis and 4 Newton along negative x-axis. ये graphically ऐसे शो होगा. fx क्या होगा जी वेक्टर along x-axis और वो क्या होगा 10 माइनस 4 क्योंकि 4 जो है वो नेगेटिव x-axis है तो उसके साथ आएगा -4. f of y 6 न्यूटन एंड अगर हमने मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ f फाइंड करना है तो हम करेंगे एफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एफ वाई स्क्वायर होल अंडर रूट और by putting the value of f of x and f of y we will get f is equal to under root 72 and further when we solve square root we will get f is equal to 8.5 Newton. Now in order to find the theta with x-axis we have formula tan of theta in is equal to fy divided by f of x, and in order to calculate theta we will get theta is equal to tan inverse of f of y by f of x. By putting the value of f of y and f of x we will get theta is equal to tan inverse of 1, and tan inverse of 1 is 45 degree and this angle is with x-axis. Now problem 4.2 find the rectangular component of a force of 50 Newton making an angle of 30 degree with the x-axis. Force हमें दी हुई है 50 न्यूटन एंगल हमें दिया हुआ 30 डिग्री. To find horizontal component of force Fx and vertical component of force Fy. Formula इधर लगेगा f of x is equal to f cos of theta and f of y is equal to f sin of theta. And by putting the value of f and theta we will get f of x is equal to 43.3 Newton and f of y is equal to 25 Newton. Now problem 4.3 find the magnitude and direction of a force if its x component is 12 Newton and y component is 5 Newton. मैग्नीट्यूड हमने फाइंड करना है और हमने डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स हमने फाइंड करनी है. तो मैग्नीट्यूड के लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है कि अंडर रूट f of x square plus f of y square. By putting the value of f of x and f of y we will get magnitude is equal to 13 Newton and tan of theta is equal to f of y divided by f of x, and in order to calculate theta we will have formula theta is equal to tan inverse fy by f of x, and by putting the value of f of y and f of x we will get theta is equal to 22.6 degree with positive x-axis. Now problem 4.4 a force of 100 Newton is applied perpendicularly on a spanner at a distance of 10 cm from a net. Find torque produced by the force. टॉर्क हमने फाइंड करना है, फोर्स हमें दी हुई है और हमें डिस्टेंस एल दिया हुआ है. तो टॉर्क का जो फॉर्मूला है वो है एफ क्रॉस एल. टॉ इज इक्वल टू 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.1 मीटर और टॉ हमारे पास आ जाएगा 10 न्यूटन मीटर. Now problem 4.5 a force is acting on the body making an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. The horizontal component of the force is 20 Newton. Find the force. हमें x कंपोनेंट दिया हुआ है और एंगल दिया हुआ है, हमने क्या फाइंड करनी है फोर्स. तो f of x is equal to f cos of theta. By putting the value of theta and f of x we will get force is equal to 23.1 Newton. Now problem 4.6 the steering of a car has a radius 16 cm. Find the torque produced by a couple of 15 Newton. फोर्स हमें दी हुई है 50 न्यूटन और रेडियस हमें दिया हुआ है 16 सेंटीमीटर दैट इज इक्वल टू 0.16 मीटर. डायमीटर हो जाएगा 2r दैट इज 0.32 मीटर. अप्लाइड टॉर्क हमने फाइंड करना है तो टॉर्क इज इक्वल टू एफ क्रॉस एल. तो torque is equal to 50 into 0.32 we will get torque is equal to 16 Newton meter. Now problem 4.7 a picture frame is hanging by two vertical strings. The tension in the string are 3.8 Newton and 4.4 Newton. Find the weight of the picture on the wall. टेंशन हमें दी हुई है 3.8 न्यूटन और सेकंड जो टेंशन इन स्ट्रिंग है वो है 4.4 न्यूटन। वेट हमने फाइंड करना है। Sum of all forces is 0, that is summation of F is equal to 0. So summation of F of y is equal to 0. For this, weight is acting downward in negative y direction, so we will have minus W, and tensions T1 and T2 are acting upward, so we will have T1 plus T2, and that is equal to 0. So we will get weight is equal to T1 plus T2. Now by putting the value of T1 and T2, we will get weight is equal to 8.2 Newton. Now problem 4.8. Two blocks of 5 kg and 3 kg are suspended by the two strings. Find the tension in the strings. Mass of upper block M1 is equal to 5 kg. Weight of M1 is equal to mg5 into 10. We will get weight is equal to 50 Newton, and mass of block below जो है वो है 3 kg और weight उसका क्या होगा 30 Newton. To find tension in the string T1 and tension in second string T2. Formula क्या होगा sum of all forces is 0. Summation of F of y is equal to 0. So the tension in lower string is equal to weight of the lower block. T2 is equal to W2 or T2 is equal to 30 Newton. Tension in the upper string is equal to weight of the lower block plus weight of the upper block. So T1 is equal to W2 plus W1. We will get T1 is equal to 80 Newton. Now problem 4.9. A nut has been tightened by a force of 200 Newton using 10 centimeter long spanner. What length of spanner is required to loosen the same nut with 150 Newton force? Given है हमें initial force F1 200 Newton, initial moment arm L1 is equal to 10 centimeter and this is equal to 0.1 meter, and final force F2 is equal to 150 Newton. Now final moment arm हमने find करना है. So summation of tau is equal to 0, as clockwise torque is equal to anti-clockwise torque. So F2 cross L2 is equal to F1 cross L1. By putting the value of F2, F1 and L1, we will get L2 is equal to 0.133 meter, and when we will convert into centimeter, we will get 13.3 centimeter. Now problem 4.10. A block of 10 kg is suspended at a distance of 20 centimeter from the center of uniform bar 1 meter long. What force is required to balance it at its center of gravity by applying the force at the other end of the bar? So given है हमें mass of block 10 kg और weight of block क्या होगा mg is equal to 100 Newton. Initial moment arm दिया हुआ है 0.2 मीटर और final moment arm हमें दिया हुआ है 50 सेंटीमीटर. To find final force F2 हमने find करनी है. For this, summation of tau is equal to 0, as clockwise torque is equal to anti-clockwise torque. F2 cross L2 is equal to F1 cross L1. So F2 into 0.5 equal to 100 into 0.2. We will get F2 is equal to 40 Newton. Now that's all about chapter 4 numerical. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like my videos and share my videos to other friends, and press the bell icon for the subscription in order to get the notification for all the videos which will be uploaded in future. Take care. Allah Hafiz.